Author's Vine pushes Jungkook back and walks away from the dance floor. Her steps are fast, angry, hurt. She goes straight to the room. She tries to close the door, but Jungkook puts his foot in between. The door opens again. He comes inside. Jungkook, confused, upset. Vine, what happened to you? Why are you behaving like this? Why were you dancing with him? Couldn't you see his intentions? Vine, angry. What do you care? I can dance with anyone I want. You go and dance with Hana. Go. Authors. Jungkook steps closer. Jungkook. Vine. Listen to me. Authors. Vine pushes him back again. Vine. Just go, Jungkook. There is silence. Authors. Both are breathing hard. Jungkook suddenly holds her waist to stop her from pushing him again. Vine freezes. She looks up at him. Their faces are very close. His voice becomes low. Jungkook, you don't understand. It hurts to see you with someone else. Authors. Vine doesn't move for a second. Everything stops. Then Jungkook kisses Vine. Stand still. Shocked, her hands are still on his chest. The room is silent except their breathing. Outside, the music keeps playing. Authors. Jungkook takes a slow step back, giving Vine space. His voice is low, not angry, now just honest. Jungkook, I shouldn't have done that, I know, but I need to say this before I lose the courage again. Authors. Vine looks at him, still upset, still hurt. Vine, say it. Authors. Jungkook say, Jungkook, when I saw that guy touching you, my chest started hurting. Not because I was jealous, but because I was scared. Vine frowns. Vine. Scared of what? Authors. Jungkook laughs bitterly. Jungkook. Scared that someone else would make you smile the way I want to. Scared that one day you'll walk away and I won't get you. Jungkook, I don't like you dancing with him. I don't like you ignoring me. I don't like pretending I don't care. Authors. His voice breaks slightly. Jungkook, I like you, Vine. Not as friend, not as habit. I like you in a way that makes me lose control of myself. Authors. Vine looks at him, but she says nothing, no answer, no reaction, only silence. Jungkook waits for a few seconds, then he gives a small, sad smile. Jungkook, I'm not forcing you. This is your decision. Authors. He takes a step back. Jungkook, whether you say yes or no, nothing will change between us. Jungkook softly, just know what I said was true. Authors. And without waiting for a reply, Jungkook walks out of the room. Authors. The door closes quietly behind him. Vine stands there alone, heart heavy, mind confused, but now she knows the truth. Author. Vine stands frozen, the door clicks shut behind Jungkook. Her chest rises and falls rapidly, heart pounding, thoughts spinning. Vine, thinking, whispering, I didn't expect that. Authors. Her hands tremble slightly, she hugs herself, leaning against the wall. Outside, the muffled sounds of the party continue. Laughs, music, but inside the room is quite heavy, personal. Author. She sits on the edge of her bed, burying her face in her hands. Vine. What I am supposed to do now? Authors. Her mind keeps replaying Jungkook's word. I'm not forcing you. Nothing will change between us. Authors. A mix of relief and frustration churns inside her. Part of her wants to run after him. Another part wants to ignore everything, pretend nothing happened. She leans back, staring at the ceiling, Vine thinking, why now? Why did he have to tell me like this? Authors. Outside, the party carries on. She can hear the faint sound of Hana laughing, but in this room, time has stopped, and Vine finally starts to realize something. Vine quiet, almost a whisper. I can't stop thinking about him. Authors. Vine steps out of her room. The party is still alive. Music thumping, lights flickering, laughter echoing. Her eyes catch Hana, She stumbled, completely drunk, barely able to stand. Jungkook is by her side, steadying her, keeping her from falling. Authors Van thinking softly, almost confused. Why? Why does seeing him like this feel so strange? Author Hana suddenly sways and pushes Jungkook lightly, trying to dance or maybe just teasing her strength. Jungkook signs but doesn't lose his composure. Carefully he lifts Hana, holding her securely in his arms. She giggles uncontrollably, leaning against him. Author Vine whispering to herself, her heart thudding. Why do I care? Why I feel this upset, jealous, or something else? Authors Jungkook navigates through the crowd with Hana in his arms, moving towards the restroom. Vine watches, rooted to the spot, a storm of feelings she doesn't want to admit building inside her. Authors After a while, Jungkook returns Hana safely in the restroom and he catches sight of Vian standing there. Jungkook, you should rest too. Stay here tonight. It's late. Authors Vian swallows hard, her chest tightening. She nods slightly, not trusting herself to speak. Authors Vian thinking, why do I even care so much about what he is doing or who he is with? Author, she takes a seat nearby, watching him for the moment longer, the music and laughter fading into the background, as her thoughts revolve entirely around Jungkook. Authors both Vian and Jungkook finally reach their rooms. The house is quiet now. Party over, music faded. Vian sits on her bed, still in her red dress. Shoots kicked off. She stares at the ceiling, mind spinning. Vian thinking, what just happened? Why did I feel so weird watching him with help, Hannah? And why does it feels different when he's close to me? Author, she hugs her knee. Authors across the hall, Jungkook lies on his own bed, eyes open, staring at the ceiling too. He remembers the whole night, the dancing Hana, Van pulling away, the tension, the moment they had earlier. Jungkook, she's trying so hard not to notice, but I can see it. She doesn't want to admit it. And neither do I. Author both lie there in silence, thinking, feeling unsure of what to do. But one thing is clear, tonight changed something. To be continued. Bye bye.